Welcome friends, this is module 3 of math 201 called partial differentiation. It is an easy subject, but you need a lot of practice. Without practice you cannot make it so easily to do in the exam. You need to open the textbook and do as many problems as you can. Then only you will find it more comfortable with this subject. So I will explain you the basic details with these problems, and then I expect you to do many problems from the textbook. Now fxyz means is a three variable function. That is, there are three variables xyz in the function. Fxy is a two variable function, but means there are two variables x and y in the function. Normally we write f suffix x or dou f by dou x. This is called dou, not d. This is dou f by dou x, not df by dx. Suppose you pronounce df by dx, there is no harm in it, but the actual pronunciation is dou f by dou x. F suffix x or dou f by dou x means the partial derivative of f with respect to x, treating other variables as constant. So here, if you are finding out the derivative with respect to x, yz would be constant, and then if you are finding out the derivative with respect to y, then xz will be constant, and so on. So here is an example. Fxy is equal to xy. So fx is equal to, that is, the partial derivative of f with respect to y is, when you are finding out the derivative, you have to keep y as a constant. So x derivative is 1, y is a constant. The answer is y. See, x derivative is 1, y is a constant. Similarly, when you take fy, that is here for the fy, that is x is a constant and y derivative is 1. See, y derivative is 1, x is a constant. So the partial derivative of f with respect to x is y. The partial derivative of f with respect to y, fy, is x. Now let us take one more example. fxyz is equal to x square y square z square. F suffix x means the partial derivative of f with respect to x means yz are constants. So yz, keep it as it is, y square z square, and x square derivative is 2x. I repeat, fy, the partial derivative of f with respect to y is, when you are finding out the derivative with respect to y, x square z square are constants and y square derivative is 2y. Similarly, fz means the partial derivative of f with respect to z is z square. We find the derivative of z square, which is 2z, and x square y square are constants. These are the answers. Now let us do one more. Find fx13 and fy13 for the function fxy is equal to 2x cube y square plus 2y plus 4x. So for this function you have to calculate fx. For this function you have to calculate fy, and then after that you substitute the point 1, 3. Substitute the point means x is 1, y is 3, the point it is. So let us find the partial derivative of f with respect to x is, so y is a constant, so y square will remain as it is, 2x cube. So 2x cube derivative is 3x square. And with respect to x, y's derivative is 0, whereas 4x derivative is 4. 4 multiplied x derivative is 1. I repeat, y square is a constant, x cube derivative 3x square. Y is a constant, derivative 0, x derivative is 1. So on simplification this will be 6x square y square plus 4. Now we want fx13, that is after finding out the derivative, I'll put the point 1, 3. So 6 1 tarbiya plus multiply 3 square plus 4, which is equal to 58. Let us do fy. So here fy means x cube is constant, so 2x cube into y square derivative is 2y plus 2y derivative is 2 and 4x derivative is 0. Because with respect to y we are talking about y, so x will be constant, so this derivative will be 0. So this will be 4x cube y plus 2. Now after that we want to find the point 1, 3. So put x equal to 1 and y equal to 3, you get 14. So 4 1 cube multiply 3 plus 2 is equal to 14. Let us do one more problem. fxyz is equal to x cube y square z 4 plus 2xy plus z. So we want to find the derivative of f with respect to x, means yz are constant. So y square same and z power 4 is same, only x cube derivative is 3x square. Again 2 is a constant, y is a constant, x derivative is 1. Z is a constant, its derivative is 0. Z is a constant, its derivative is 0. So this is 3x square y square z4 plus 2y. This is the partial derivative of f with respect to x. Now I want to find the partial derivative of f with respect to y. With respect to y, y means xz's are constant. So x cube is a constant, z power 4 is a constant, y square derivative is 2y. Similarly here 2x is a constant, y derivative is 1, z derivative is 0. On simplification we get this. So fz means, once again fz means, what is fz? That partial derivative of f with respect to z, x cube y squares are constants and z power 4 derivative is 4z cube, and 2xy there is no z here, it's a constant, its derivative is 0 and exclusive z derivative is 1. On simplification we get this answer. Now here is another example. Find the second partial derivative of fxy, x square y cube plus x power 4y. So fx means the partial derivative of f with respect to x means y is a constant. So that means y cube is a constant, x square derivative is 2x, and y is a constant, x power 4 derivative is 4x cube. And second partial derivative means one more x derivative. One more x derivative means you are finding out with respect to x, y is a constant, so y cube is a constant, 2 is a constant, x derivative is 1. Again 4 is a constant, y is a constant, x cube derivative 3x square. On simplification you get 2y cube plus 12x square y. Similarly, it is you to find f partial derivative of f with respect to fy, with respect to y. You find it, here is the answer. Please verify it by yourself because you need a lot of practice for this. And similarly the partial derivative of f with respect to y, second time, twice, you get the answer here. So that means one more derivative with respect to y means x is a constant, so 3x square is a constant and 2y square derivative is 2y, x power 4 derivative is 0, so 6x square y, you can see that here. Similarly, there is one more question. This is also for you to practice. fxy is equal to y square e power x plus y. Here fx yy. That means first find the partial derivative of f with respect to x. After that you find with y. After that you find with one more y. So that way the answer will be 2 e power x. Please practice these problems. I intentionally left for you to do it so that you get a good practice. With practice only you will become very comfortable with this subject, partial differentiation. Suppose z is equal to x square y and x equal to t square y equal to t cube. Find dz by dt. So z is equal to x square y means, so replace x with t square and y with t cube, then t square whole square multiply t cube is t power 7, and we want dz by dt, the derivative is 7t power 6. This is a simple problem. One more problem. W is equal to root of x square plus y square plus z square, x equal to cos theta, y equal to sin theta, z is equal to tan theta. Find dw by d theta at theta is equal to pi by 4. So w is equal to root of x square plus y square means root of x, replace x with cos theta, y with sin theta and z with tan square theta. Cos square plus sin square is 1, tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta, which is secant square theta, under root means secant theta. So w is equal to secant theta. This is called a parametric form. Given in the parametric form, we change into a regular form. W is equal to secant theta. You want dw by d theta, so dw by d theta is equal to secant theta derivative is secant theta tan theta. After that you have to put this value, theta is equal to pi by 4. dw by d theta at the point theta is equal to pi by 4. This line means it at the point. So secant pi by 4, tan pi by 4, use a calculator, you get root 2. Now one more, z is equal to e power xy, x is equal to 2u plus v, y is equal to u over v, dou z by dou u and dou z by dou v find. So z is equal to e power xy, this is again parametric, we will make it a simple equation. Z is equal to e power xy, e power x means 2u plus v, y means u over v. So this is e power multiply 2u multiply u is 2u square over v, and v multiply u over v will cancel and it will be u. So what is z? Z is e power xy, which is equal to e power 2u square v plus u. Now you want to find dou z by dou u. Dou z by dou u means v is a constant. U, we have to find the derivative with respect to u. This is also we write zu in our earlier language. We are writing like this, so we can write zu, z suffix u also you can write. You can write z suffix u or z suffix v. You can write like this. But now either way you can do it, either z suffix u or dou z by dou u, anyway you can write it. The derivative is e power something derivative. See this, there is a formula, e power something derivative is e power something multiplies something derivative. That the whole e power something will come as it is, and only the something derivative will come extra. So that derivative with respect to u is e power something. So e power something is the e power something will come as it is, and only this derivative you have to write it. Only this derivative you have to write it with respect to u. So this e power something will remain as it is, multiply. When you are finding out the derivative with respect to u, v is a constant. And you are finding out the derivative with respect to u, v is a constant. So 2u square derivative is 4u, 2 square derivative is 4u over v plus u derivative is 1. This is the answer. This is the answer. I repeat, z is equal to e power something, and we want to find the partial derivative of z with respect to v, also written as dou z by dou v. Dou z by dou v. How to find the derivative? Using this formula, this e power something will remain e power something only. Only the something derivative will come extra here. So this is the derivative of the something. So we want to find this e power something remain as it is, and the derivative of 2u square over v plus u with respect to v. With respect to u, v means u square is a constant. So 2u square is a constant, and 1 over v, this is v is in the denominator, 1 over v derivative is minus 1 over v square plus u derivative, because we are finding out with respect to v, u is a constant, constant derivative is 0. I repeat, 2u square sawa sawa, 1 over v derivative minus 1 over v square, u derivative is 0 being a constant. Let us simplify this, e power 2u square over v plus u multiply this minus 2u square by v. So this is the final answer. So here I put another problem. W is equal to e power x y z. X is this, y is this, and z is this. Find dou w by dou u. Dou w by dou u, which is also you can call it as u w suffix u, you can write it. W suffix v, you can write it. You can write it like this. So what is it? It is dou multiply all x y z. When you multiply this, 3u plus v multiply 3u minus v is 9u square minus v. 9u square minus v multiplied by u square v will get a big function. What is the derivative of e power something? This formula, we use it, you get the answer e power this, multiply its derivative here with respect to u. When you are finding out the derivative with respect to u, v is a constant, please, v is a constant here. These are the answers I wrote it. Please practice by yourself. These are very hard problems. Unless you know derivatives very well, you cannot arrive the answer to this answer easily. So please practice and arrive this answer. So if you have any problem and all, do please contact me on WhatsApp. So this is how you should practice it. Without practice, you cannot handle the exam, please, the quizzes and the final exam. Let us go to the next topic. The next topic in this module is directional derivative and gradient. The next topic is directional derivative and the gradient. Both mean almost the same. Both the calculation is almost same, but let us do it. Let us do it. So let us find the gradient of f, which is also called del f. Gradient of f, also called del f. This is, we read it as del f. Del f. Gradient of f or del f. Usually we write this symbol. This is called del f. Gradient of f, del f. Usually this. What is it? It is the vector. You remember this pointed brackets called vector. Vector of partial derivative of f with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to z, and you write in the vector form. So let us do this problem. Let us do this problem. W is equal to half ln root x square plus y square, like this. So what is the problem? W is equal to ln root x square plus y square plus z square. That means ln root means to the power half, that half will come to the front. The half will come to the front. So half ln x square plus y square plus z square. So now we want to find the partial derivative with respect to x. So half remains as it is, and ln derivative is 1 over x. Ln x derivative is 1 over x, and ln something derivative is 1 over something multiply something derivative. Ln x derivative is 1 over x. Instead of x, if you have something, then answer is 1 over something multiply something derivative. So here half same multiply ln something derivative is 1 over something into its derivative, and its derivative with respect to x. I repeat, half same ln something derivative is 1 over something into something derivative in the numerator, and we want to find the derivative with respect to x. X square derivative 2x, y square is a constant, derivative 0, z square is a constant, derivative 0. This 2 will cancel. It is x over x square plus y square plus z square. I repeat, I want to find the w derivative with respect to y, keeping xz are constants. Half same ln something derivative is 1 over something, and the something derivative I must write it here. X square derivative is 0, z square derivative is 0, only y square derivative is 2y. This 2 and this 2 will cancel, this 2y and 2 will cancel. So if you want to write more, so I can write here, this is y square derivative is 2y, and there is a half here, and there is a half here. So this 2 and this 2 will cancel. You get y over x square plus y square plus z square. Similarly, when you find the derivative with respect to z, so it is 1 over x square plus y square plus z square into x square derivative 0, y square derivative 0, and z square derivative is 2z. This 2 and 2 will cancel. So what do you mean by gradient of w or del f? Del w is, this is the formula. Gradient of w, gradient of f, this is the formula. Partial derivative with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to z. So partial derivative with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to z, you write in the form of a pointed bracket. This will become a vector. Here is a practice problem, very interesting and simple problem. Be careful in doing this. So find the gradient at the point P, del f at P. Find the gradient of f at P. So here is f is given. Gradient means you have to calculate like this. Find the partial derivative with respect to x. Find the partial derivative with respect to y. Find the partial derivative with respect to z. And put these points. X is minus 3, y is 4, and z is equal to 0. You get a vector called 4, 4, 4. That is 4i bar plus 4j bar plus 4k bar. Please practice and verify whether are you getting this answer or not. The next topic is directional derivative of f at the point P in the direction of u bar. The whole English I am writing it as df f x y z. So what is this? The directional derivative of f in the direction of u at the point x1 xyz or x1 y1 z1. Here is the English. This is called the symbol of the whole English. Directional derivative of f in the direction of u. What is the formula? U bar over mod u bar, that is the unit vector along the direction of u. U bar over mod u bar, that is the unit vector in the direction of u, multiply by, what is this? The gradient of f. What is this? The gradient of f, fx, fj. Let us find the directional derivative for this problem. So what is the first step you have to do? For this function, you have to calculate fx, fy, fz. For this function, you have to calculate first fx, fy, fz. What is fx? Fx means y is a constant. So this is x square derivative 2x, y is a constant, so 2xy. Fx derivative means y and z are constant, its derivative is 0. Fx derivative, f derivative with respect to x, z is a constant, its derivative is 0. So fx is this. Let us calculate fy. Fy means x is a constant, z is a constant. So x square is a constant, y derivative 1. And here it is minus z cube is a constant, y derivative is 1. And only z derivative is 0. Fz means xy are constant. Fz means x and y are constants. So x square y derivative will be 0. So here minus y is a constant and z cube derivative is 3z square and only z derivative is 1. After finding fx, fy, fz, you have to put this point 1 minus 2, 0. Here is the point. You have to put the point 1 minus 2 0. You put it. What is this? X is 1, y is minus 2, z is 0. Here you put it. You get minus 4. So 2 multiply 1 multiply minus 2 is minus 4. Here again x1, y minus 2, z 0. x1 is 1 minus z is 0. So this is 0, this is 0. So it will be 1. And again fz 1 minus 2, here it is. X is 1, there is no x here. Z is minus 2, that is plus 4 multiply 3, 12. And y multiply 2 is, it will be 1. Actually here z is 0. 0 multiply anything is 0. 1 is 1 here. So it is, what is the directional derivative? What is the gradient here? Gradient is 4, 1, 1. So if you want, we can write it for fun. If you want, we can write it for fun. I am writing it here. I am writing it here. So del f at P is equal to, it is minus vector minus 4, 1, 1, 1. Minus 4, 1, 1, 1. This is the vector del f. I just wrote it. No need to write, but I just wrote it. And I want to calculate this mod u bar. Mod u bar is, you know, that root of 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square, which is equal to 3. Which is equal to 3. Now what is the formula? What is this? Directional derivative of f in the direction of u at the point 1 minus 2 0. At the point 1 minus 2 0. What is the formula? U bar dot del f over mod u. What is the formula? U bar dot del f over mod u. That is what you can write like this or this. Either way, it's okay. Del f means pointed bracket fx, fy, fz. So you got it. This is the vector. This is the vector. So u bar dot, this is the del f over mod u. So u bar, this length of the vector is 3. So 1 over 3. U bar means u is a vector. See this 2 1 minus 2, 2 1 minus 2 dot del f. Del f is minus 4 1 1 minus 4 1 1. Here it is minus 4 1 1. You have to be very, very careful, and you have to be very slow in doing these things. Okay, so how to find the dot product? The dot product is the pointwise multiplication. 2 multiply minus 4, 1 multiply 1, and minus 2 multiply 1. Don't forget a bar dot b bar, we did it. A bar dot b bar is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2, the same formula. 1/3 is same. 2 multiply minus 4, 1 multiply 1, and minus 2 multiply 1. On simplification you get minus 3. We will do one more problem, which could be the last problem. These you need lot of practice. Repeatedly I am saying, open the textbook, take some new problems, do it on your own. If you don't know, you compare with this video or anything, and then still further you don't know, you contact me through WhatsApp. So this is called directional derivative of f in the direction of u at the point P. dfpu, directional derivative of f at the point P in the direction of u. F is given like this, P is given, u bar is given. First you have to find fx. The partial derivative of f with respect to x, yz are constant. So y square z cube are constant. x5 derivative is 5x power 4. After that you put this point 2 minus 1 1. That is x is 2, y minus 1 1. You get 320. Be careful in putting it. And then fy means x and z cube are constant, x power 5 and z cube are constant, and y square derivative is 2y. After that put the point P, fyp, that is 2 minus 1 1. You put it x2, y minus 1 and 1, you get minus 256. Be careful using calculator. Fz means only z derivative 3z square, and these two are constants. 3z square. Again put the point P, 2 minus 1 1, x2, y minus 1 and z1. You put it here properly and then use calculator, you get 384. This is first step. The second step is find the length of the vector u. U is root over 1/3 square plus 2/3 square plus 2/3 square. Use calculator, you get 1. Now let us write the formula dufp. dufp means directional derivative of f at P in the direction of u. So either you can use this formula, or also you can write u bar dot del f over mod u bar. This way also you can write it. Either way it is. So here mod u bar is 1, so the denominator is, you can forget it, only u bar dot del f. U bar is already we calculated here, u bar is given 1/3, 2/3, 2/3 dot f del f means fx fy fz, del f means fx fy fz. See this, del f means fx fy fz. Here it is fx fy fz, the numbers 320, 256 and 384. Dot product a bar dot b bar is a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. Don't forget it, component wise multiplication. On simplification you get minus 320, and the directional derivative is a scalar. And one more problem here it is, direct derivative of f at the point P in the direction of u. F is given, P is given, u bar is only k bar, only minus k bar. Only minus k bar means it is nothing but the vector 0, 0, minus 1. It is nothing but the vector. Please practice this problem and obtain the answer as 20, and you check, verify whether you understood these things or not. You can verify from this problem. Please do it. When once you get the problem, it's fine. Otherwise, again see the video second time, understand it and try to imitate the problem like these methods. So further, if you don't know, you can ask me either in the class or contact through the WhatsApp. This is the end of module 3. So hope you understood anything, and feel free to contact me if you cannot follow anything here, or if you could not get the answer also, you can contact me.